Welcome to this video, guys. This is going to be a really great video where we are going to clear up all the air between you and this concept of AI agents. We'll talk through all the simple ways of, understanding these things with simple human analogies, and things are certainly going to start making sense. Okay, so let me go ahead and start telling you about a lot of simple things. Okay, with human analogies. So let's say we have this human. This human is just 12th pass. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. This human is just 12th pass. Okay, now after he has passed his 12th standard, what we did was we gave him a chest X-ray image, and in this chest X-ray image, there was this lung type of image. And what did we ask him to detect if there is cancer or not? Now, what this person said is that, hey, I cannot do that. I'm not a doctor. And in order to detect the cancer from this image, what he did was he went ahead and started to pursue a degree just called as MBBS. So, what he's trying to do is he's trying to extend his functionality or extend his capability by pursuing a degree. Okay, now after he has passed 3 or 4 years of degree, usually it's 4 years of degree. Now, this human, when given this chest X-ray image again, when given this image again, now what he will do is he'll go back to the knowledge he had gotten from his degree. Let's say he might have collected some notes, form of books. Yeah. And when we asked him this, that can you detect it now? Then he said yes. And in order to do that, he would be referring to his previous notes, which he had made in his college times. And he referred to those. And then he instantly told us that, hey, yes, the cancer is present right exact here. Okay. So what he did was he extended his functionality. Before he was not able to do it, but now he's able to do it with the help of this book. Okay. So now let us understand the same with the help of the AI agent. Now, this AI agent which we have, or AI agent which we have, that is AI agent, okay, digital human, remember. Now, this AI agent which we have, again, he's just a 12th pass. Yeah. He knows all the general things. He has a lot of GK knowledge. Yeah, if you ask him to make a coffee and what is the capital of France and all those things, he knows all of these things very nicely. But again, if given a medical image of chest X-ray and asked to, detect cancer, he will say that I'm not a medical expert or I don't have medical knowledge, I cannot do that. Okay, similar to human being. But what if we say that, hey, I will provide you with a tool or a superpower, okay, superpower, which is YOLO. And these YOLO are nothing but your medical goggles. Medical goggles. Okay. I'm just gonna make a very weird goggle. Okay, but you guys will understand. These are our medical goggles. When you would wear these goggles, you would be able to identify these images. And after you are wearing this goggle, you will be exactly able to detect where the cancer is. Okay. Now this AI agent said, yes, please give me that goggle. So what we did was we gave this AI agent, the digital human, we gave this AI agent the superpower YOLO as a tool. Okay. Tool is nothing but extended functionality. Okay. So we are extending the functionality of our AI agent by giving him these YOLO goggles. And after it has the YOLO goggles, now it can detect the cancer very nicely in the image. He's confident. Yeah. So first he was not able to do that, but now he's able to do that because we have given him the extended functionality. Okay. So what we understand from this topic is your AI agent, your AI agent is nothing but a large language model plus tool calling. Okay. Tool calling. What I was referring to as 12th pass. Okay. So sorry for explaining like that, but those are simple words. What I was referring to as 12th pass was nothing but a large language model. Okay, large language model. Okay, and this large language model knows language, understands our language, and it has been trained on huge data. And it's a model, AI model. That's why large language model. Okay, so our AI agent is nothing but a large language model plus tool calling capabilities, which means extending the functionality. Okay, yeah. Now let's go back to our human. Okay, this is our human back here. Okay, now let's say this human has been uh, working in a company. Okay, let me make it a company type of thing. Let's say this human got a job in a company. Okay, this human got a job in a company. Let's say this company is Google, and since Google is involved into making softwares, Google has put this person onto different tasks. One of the tasks is managing front end. Another task is managing the database and the backend. And the third type of task is managing the users of Google. Okay. So now this person who was, you know, just 12th pass, and he told that, he can extend his capabilities and everything. So Google put him on so many things, and Google said, okay, you can extend your functionalities, right? I will give you many tools. So now he has so many tools to carry out these respective tasks. But what happened is he said that I cannot do so much of tasks by myself. Okay. Although I have all the tools in my hand, although I know how to do it, I cannot do it all by myself. I would need some help. So what Google did is Google put more team members into his team. So now they are not one people, they are many people. Yeah, and these many people will be carrying out different tasks. For example, this will be responsible for front end, this will be responsible for database, and this will be responsible for handling users. Yeah, and now these can have their own respective tools. And the time that this person was taking was, let's say, 3 hours for one task. And when they are in a team, the same task was required only 30 minutes. So teamwork really makes a lot of difference. Yeah. So similarly, if a real human can have a team, our AI agents can also have a team. See, this is our digital human. They can also have a team. Yeah. And a team of AI agents is called nothing but Agentic AI. Okay. Agentic AI, or we call them multi-AI systems. Multi-AI systems. Yeah. And to make these AI agents or multi-AI agents, we have different frameworks. If you don't understand these frameworks, understand the word libraries. We have different libraries. One of those libraries is Autogen, which is really new and really mature, is the word I would call. Another one is LangChain and LangGraph. This is also very nice framework. We have N8N. What I'm writing over here is I'm writing different frameworks to make these AI agents which we are learning right now. Okay. We have ADK by Google, A2A by Google, okay, agent to agent protocols, a lot of these things. These are all used to make agents or multi-agent system. Autogen is usually famous for multi-agent system, but single agents are also possible, of course. And the term in Autogen which we use for this multi-AI system or agent system is called a team. Okay, so in Autogen, what we will be doing is we will be involved in making a lot of teams. So this will be a team. Okay, So yes, that was all for this video, and I hope you got a lot of understanding about the differences between the AI agent and agentic AI in very, very simple words. Yeah. Thank you guys.